What's up, y'all? So I don't have my tripod today, so I just got y'all set up. Hopefully it's in view. Today, one second.
Did you dream about? Do single and a 10-piece nug? Or a classic chicken sandwich and a spicy chicken sandwich? It was 2 10-piece nugs, wasn't it? Classic. 2 fades for just $7. Gotta be Wendy's.
Had to turn the TV down. But anyways, this is gonna be a quick animal flow. If y'all need to, do a little quick warm up, get your wrists warm, do some low squats like this, get into downward dog. Here, left leg up, bring it in. So go ahead and do this with me. Arm up, down, up, down. Okay, back, pedal the feet. Right leg up, bring it up outside of the hand, up, down, up, down, up, down. Back, pedal the feet again. Alright, jump it up. If y'all need more than that, pause the video, do a little bit of warm up. So I've already been kind of in this a little bit, but I had somebody come in, so you know, I'm in a public gym, so I try to be respectful. So I turn the video off. But anyways, we'll get back to it. This is gonna be an animal flow mixed with some little bit of MMA stuff, MMX fight, and it's kind of a combination of like P90X3, MMX, and then doing an animal flow. So we're just gonna start off with the basics. We're gonna go through them pretty quick. That way when we get to the flow part of the workout, because it's gonna be a lot of push-ups. We're gonna hit some pistol squats. Some pretty complex moves. Once we get to the pistol squats, if you can't do them, do a regular squat and just do the moves following it. So anyways, here we go. That's all you need to know for this. You got your beast. So your knees are barely hovering, your hands off the ground, and then we're just gonna crawl towards you, crawl away from you. All right. A little bit longer. Y'all do this with me. So just crawl, get the feel of it, get strong. It's always opposite foot, opposite arm. We'll go back one more time. All right, come on, jump it up. So there's beast. Next move is gonna be crab. If you ain't got that animal flow before, y'all should be familiar with these, but if you haven't, I'm gonna go over them for you. Sorry, my heart rate's already up a little bit from the little flow I was doing before I started this. Got some light snow out the window. I'm in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. That's why the gym's different, and you know, I don't have my regular setup. But anyways, crab. You want your chest towards the sky. It's gonna go, once again, opposite arm, opposite legs. Stay tight in your core. Should fit us pretty good in the triceps as well. Same thing, if you wanna go sideways, your feet are close, arms are wide. And when your hands come together, your feet go wide. There we go. If y'all can see that, so do that a little bit. Crawl back. All right, a little bit longer. Come back to a jaw. All right, come up out of it. All right, there's that one. Lastly, we're gonna hit the gorilla. So the gorilla, that's why you need to practice the deep squat at the beginning. It's for the gorilla pose. So gorilla pose, you'll be down here, and then you're just gonna go sideways. Come back, you can go wide with it. Be athletic in it. You come forward, go back. so there's that. All right, last thing that I'm gonna show y'all in this one is you need to know the transitions. So in Beast, if you're transitioning, so this foot will go under here. You always go under your body. You're never gonna go over like that. So everything's under, 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 and then next phase of it will be the kick throughs. Like I said, I'm gonna make this a kind of a quick video. We're not gonna make it super long today. Kind of a hotel workout. So, but the next thing that we need to do for this particular workout, you're gonna be a beast side kick through. So all it is this leg goes under you and you just kick it through. So just do a couple of these with me. Kick it through, kick it through, kick it through, kick it through. Kick it through. All right, come to your knees. And the last part of the basics is the front kick through. So the front kick through, once again, you're in Beast, all right? So Beast, you load Beast. So go back into like a deep squat, kind of like this. And then you're gonna kick through, back, kick through, back, kick through, back, kick through. So go ahead, practice a few rounds of that, of this one, the front kick through. Hey, all right. Now, we'll get the flow going. So, I'm at 40 minutes on my watch. I know the video is probably not nowhere near that. We might be at 10 maybe, but we're gonna push for this to be under 30. And yeah, so we'll try to go through it quick. It's gonna be hard because we're going through it quicker. Y'all stay with me. If you need to pause it, hit the pause button and then keep going at your own will, you know. Oh, another quick thing. Learn kind of never fall. I'm on an athletic stance. You need to know the jab. So front leg, front hand. Jab, jab, jab. It's all in the hips too. Comes from the bottom, that's where your power comes from. So jab, cross, cross. And the other one, so jab, cross, hook, uppercut. And then a basic sprawl. So that's all you need to know for the fight part. Because it's not gonna be a whole bunch of fighting stuff, it's just kind of mixed in with the flow. Maybe throw a kick, I don't know, we'll see. So anyways, we're gonna start in crab. So through crab, you'll go here, here. So you're in crab, you go under the beast, and then you kick through. Come back with the right leg under, back to crab, do the opposite leg. So your right leg's gonna go under, and you're gonna kick through. So just whatever leg you kick through with, the opposite one will go to the next time. We'll do that for about 45 seconds. Then we'll go into the next move. If I go a little over 45 seconds, don't worry about it, just stay with me. Do the moves, because like I said, I got my watch, but while I'm doing the moves, it's not exactly easy to look at the watch. So, let's go. So crab, we're gonna start with the left leg under. So the right leg will be kicking out. Ready? Right leg, or left leg under, right leg kicks through, and it comes back. Now opposite. Now y'all go at y'all's own flow. Try to feel strong in the transitions. Here, I'll go sideways for you real quick. Then as you get good with it, you can start. So you can go fast with it a little bit, then go back to going slow. I got hung up. All right, one more with the other leg, we're done. All right, there we go. Y'all should notice with these moves, you should get the heart rate up pretty quickly. Take a quick break, go into the next move. Most of these moves are gonna be around 45 seconds. We'll take about 30-second break, maybe a little longer depending on how we feel after the move. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. So next one, we're gonna be in beast. You're gonna do 10 push-ups or 5 push-ups, whichever ones you prefer. You'll crawl backwards for about 4 steps. So it look like this. I'm gonna do 5 for the warm-up purposes. So 1, 5. Come up to beast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do 5 more push-ups. So there's that one. If y'all are ready, we'll go ahead and start. Like I said, you can do 10 push-ups, you can do 5 push-ups, whichever one. If you do 10, you won't get as much crawling in, but you'll get some more, a little more muscle work in the chest. So I'm gonna go for 10. We'll go in 5 seconds. So go ahead and get in beast. 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we go. 5 or 10 push-ups. The beast, and then you crawl. All right, 10 more. Back to crawling. Remember the opposite foot, opposite hand. All right. Woo, that's tough right there. All right, y'all. So there's 2 moves in. We'll go ahead, throw a fight move in. So what you're gonna do, like I said, athletic stand, get ready. Jab high, jab low. So boom, boom, cross. Boom, boom, cross. So that's what we're gonna do. For about 30 seconds, we'll switch feet. So a little bit longer of a breather. I love these workouts just because it's good pace. You're getting some muscle work. You're also getting some cardio work. Really hitting everything in these. You're also getting some mobility with it. So let's go ahead and get set up. Like I said, we'll do about 30 seconds. It's hard for me to know exactly, but that's all right. Just follow along and we'll keep going. So hands are gonna be up. Like I said, athletic. You can even bounce around with it if you want to. So that's what I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna bounce around with it. Just make it a little more fun. So here we go. Start in 3, 2, 1. Jab, high, low, cross. High, low, cross. High, low, cross. High, low, cross. That was a little sloppy. All right. Go ahead, transition to the other side. Let's go. Bounce with it. So remember, high, low, cross, high, low, cross, high, low, cross. All right, let's go. So that should definitely get the heart rate up. I like to add those in, just cause you know it's fun to do those type of workouts. Plus, you know, it's good to know some fighting skills. Like I said before, when you're throwing the punches, just make sure you're throwing that hip with it. You should be driving from the foot up. Same with the jab. So, just some tips. So we're gonna slow it down. We're just gonna do some gorillas. We're gonna do a gorilla. So you'll be in human position. Squat down to the 8 over. I'd like to go over twice, but anyways, then you'll stand back up, down, over, stand up. So we're gonna slow it down a little bit with that. Still gonna get the heart rate up. Work a little bit more legs. If y'all see me keep looking out the window, just looking at the snow. It's not a lot, but where I'm from, I don't get to see snow very often, so trying to enjoy it. As always, if y'all watching this video, please comment. Let me know where y'all from. Let me know if y'all enjoy this. I love y'all's feedback. And I love making these videos for you. All right, here we go. So, human. Y'all ready? Let's start. Human, down. Gorilla, gorilla, up. To the side, up. All right, y'all flow with y'all's own pace now. You can either make them go farther or you can do a little close. Here's the far one. Now you ain't gonna get 2 in if you go that far. So we're up, we're down, we're up, we're down. Do some small ones. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, we'll go back to the middle and we'll be done with that. 1, 2, and up. Good job, y'all. Way to stick with it so far. This next one's gonna be a little more complex. We're gonna do a pistol squat to our back, go to the boat, hit some side to sides for the abs, come back up in the pistol squat. So like I said, it's gonna be a little difficult. If you struggle with the pistol squat, you don't have to do a pistol squat. So this is what it looks like. You'll go down, pistol squat onto your back, half boat, all the way up into boat, then side, 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 side. Bring the knees back, come back up, pistol squat up. If you can't pistol squat, simple. Go down like this, on your back to the half boat, up to boat, side, side, and then you come back up on 2 feet. So that's it. If you're doing, if you're not doing the pistol squat and you're doing the 2-foot squat, I would suggest, you know, just picking up the pace a little bit quicker, so you get the same kind of muscle work as a pistol squat. Because you know, pistol squat's very difficult, but once you get the technique and the flexibility, it's not too bad. So, starting to pour sweat. Not sure where we're at time-wise, but we'll do a couple more moves, then we'll close this thing out. All right, so let's go. All right, so like I said, pistol squat or regular squat, deep, go into your back, half boat into boat, side to side, side to side, come back up. I'll go sideways for y'all so y'all can see it a little better, because I kind of blocked the view a little bit. Anyways, here we go. So we're gonna go down to a pistol squat. Boom, boom. Half boat up. Right side, left side, right side, left side. Lean it back. Bring it up. Bam, there's one. We'll do 5 each side. Left, down, half boat, up, left side. Oh, right side, left side, right side. Bring it back. Bring it up. There's one complete side, or both sides. Down, half boat, up the boat, right side, left side. Bring it back. Bring it up. Alright, left side. Down, half boat. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. Hey. There's 2. Hey. Alright. There's 3. If you're doing the regular squats, go to 10. Half boat, up the boat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. Bring it up. Let's go. Down. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. Bring it up. Alright, one more. Woo. Down. Half boat. That side. Here we go. Alright, y'all. That's difficult. Alright, so now we're gonna do a fight move. We're actually gonna do 2 back-to-back fight moves. So prepare yourselves for that. First one's gonna be a jab, cross, sprawl. Then we'll move on from there. So yeah, once I get started making these videos, it's hard for me to stop, especially with the flows, because I just feel like there's so much stuff you can just keep adding to it and adding to it. So like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this somewhat short. I think we're decent on time right now. All right, get ready. Here we go. So like I said, jab, cross, sprawl. In the sprawl, you don't have to do a push up. That'll be on the next move. Excuse me. Actually, we're going to do 3 fight moves back to back. Then we'll finish with the last little flow. Very dynamic flow. But if y'all done my videos before, y'all know what the end of the flow is going to be. I just might add a little extra stuff to it. So here we go. So like I said, here we go. We'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if y'all want to bounce with it, sprawl. Oh. You can bounce with it. I think it's a lot more fun when you bounce with it. But then you can kind of get fast with it. Alright. next side. These definitely get the heart out. Here we go. Right side, or whichever side you didn't do first. So same thing, jab, cross, sprawl, 30 seconds. Starting, we'll start in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, y'all. So if y'all watch that, you know, I might notice I might get a little sloppy sometimes, but that's not the whole point. It's not, you want to be as technical as possible, but as you get tighter and tighter, you know, so it's gonna get a little sloppier, but that's part of it, man. That's the beauty of it. So the main thing with this, have as much fun as possible doing this workout, because that's what it's about. That's why I like doing these flows. You get the body moving constantly, and we're just flowing with it. Doesn't matter if we mess up. If we do mess up, guess what? We got the next move to correct it. So anyways, enough of that. Let's go jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. So jab, cross, hook, uppercut. I'm gonna start on my right side, right leg in front this time. Now this one, you can go slow, because then the following move after is gonna be intense. You're gonna do, never mind. Let's just do this part first. So starting, I'll give you another 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2. So here we go. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. That's it right there. So jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Start flowing with it. Jab, cross, hook, hook. Jab, cross, jab, cross. That was a little 2 uppercuts, but that's all right. All right, that's it, y'all. Next side. Ready? Left side, or whichever side, opposite you did first. Here we go. Jab, cross, ah, that was ugly. One more. Here we go. All right, this will be the last MMA boxing type move. I'm gonna throw it all together. So, what we just did, jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Then we're gonna sprawl. In the sprawl, you're gonna add a push-up. So, just a little bit harder. It's the last move for the MMA part. Then we got one more little flow for the animal moves, and then we'll be done. Try to promise y'all a pretty short video. We'll see what it's at by the time we finish. All right, ready? I'm gonna go right leg front. So here it is. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, sprawl, push up, back up, and repeat, repeat. 10 seconds. Deep breaths. You should be getting your heart rate up 100%. Here we go. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, sprawl, push up. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Jab, cross. Oh, I hooked the uppercut. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Alright, that's it for that side. Sheesh. Man, oh man. It's intense. That is intense. So do some deep breaths. 20 more seconds of a break. Here we go. Get set up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go. And if you get tired, bounce it around and get right back in. All right, that's it. Woo. All right, y'all. So MMX part's done. We got this last little flow part. And like I said, if y'all done any of the, I think I got like 2 other animal flow videos. If any of y'all have done them, y'all probably know what's coming. If you haven't done them, it's pretty simple. We'll go side kick through, both sides, front kick through. And that's it. That's the burnout. Probably do it 5 times, so each move counts as 1. So that'd be a total of 20 movements, I think. My math, maybe mathing, it might not. Anyways, definitely sweating good. Definitely definitely gotten the heart rate up pretty good. So we'll kill this. Take this last little bit of a break. Hit this hard. Finish this one off. So what did it look like? Beast. Side kick. Side kick. Loaded beast. Front kick. Loaded beast. Front kick. So that'll be 1 rep. We're gonna do it 5 times. We can accomplish that. So this is it. This is the end of the flow. So make sure you hit this move hard. Get flowing with it. Get the heart rate up. Get to that 5 as quick as you can. But if you go slow, it's not a bad thing either, because you get a little more isometrics on your muscles, so a little bit more muscle recruitment. So 2 different ways to do it. Y'all choose. Do what you want to do. I'll probably go a little bit in the middle. Probably start slow, end fast. So let's do it. Let's get it over with, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me in this. It's a pleasure anytime I get to work out with y'all and create these videos for you. So. Let's go. Beast. Boom. Right kick through. Left. Loaded. Kick through. Kick through. There's 1. Go to the opposite side. Left kick through. Right kick through. 2. Alright, y'all flow at y'all's own pace. That's it, y'all. That's the workout. All right, we're gonna go through a quick little cool down. All right, let's get the heart rate down. I don't know if I'm allowed to be in here shirtless or not, but I'm burning up, absolutely pouring sweat. Or I'm at least glazed. Let's go. Quick little cool down. Feet together. Actually, first, let's just bounce it out. Bring the shoulders up. Alright, now let's calm it down. Bring it up. Come, bring it wide. Elbows scrape the back of the wall. One more. One more. Prayer. Back up. Bring it down. Make sure y'all breathing deep. When you're in this, let's pedal it a little bit. I think it's called the elephant walk. Alright, halfway up, flat back. Bring it down. Hold plank. Upward dog. Hold it. Go push up, downward dog. Pedal the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right leg up. Swing it up. Same stretch at the beginning. Start up. Bring it down. Do 3 of them. There's 2. There's 3. Back. Plank. Upward. Downward. Push up, downward. Pedal it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left leg up. Bring it up. Here. Down. Open. Down. There's 2. There's 3. All right. Come to your knees. All right. Flat back. We'll do cat cow. So breathe in up here. Breathe down. Up. And down. And down. Back to downward dog. Pedal it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bend the knees. Jump it up. Alright, bend over. Get deep. And bring it up. Strong back, strong core. Come to prayer. Namaste. Thank y'all so much for doing this workout with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope I kept it short enough. Probably went longer than I planned, but that's how it always goes. So try this workout out. Make sure y'all please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put some comments in here. Let me know what y'all think about the workout, where y'all live, all that good stuff. What y'all want me to do for y'all, yoga, animal flows, burpees, actual workouts, whatever it is. Thank y'all so much. Have a blessed